Dear NCC cadets, officers and staff of NCC, today as we come together to celebrate NCC Day, we commemorate not only the remarkable history and traditions of the National Cadet Corps, but also the unwavering commitment of each one of you who have contributed to our success over the years. It is a day to reflect upon our achievements, appreciate the dedication of our cadets, and renew our pledge to serve our nation with greater fervor. NCC Day marks a special occasion in the calendar of our organization. It is a day to honor the values of discipline, teamwork and leadership that have been instilled in countless young minds. The NCC, through its multifaceted programs, has played a pivotal role in shaping the youth of our nation into responsible, capable and patriotic citizens. As we look back at the inspiring journey of our cadets and the exemplary service of our officers, NCC instructors and ANO, it is a testament to the positive impact the NCC has had on our society. The year 2023 is particularly significant for NCC as it marks the completion of another successful year of nurturing talent, fostering unity and building a sense of service among our cadets. It is also a year in which we have overcome numerous challenges together, adapting to new circumstances and upholding the core values that defined NCC. On this day, I want to express my deep appreciation for the dedication and hard work of our cadets, officers and staff. Your tireless efforts in promoting social awareness, disaster management, environmental conservation and leadership development have not only shaped the future of our youth, but have also made a significant impact on our communities and nation at large. Happy NCC Day to each one of you. Nation first and Jai Hind.